Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be doing a full install on a lace frontal wig. I feel like I haven't done a lace frontal in a while. I've been doing a lot of closures, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you learned something from it and just keep on watching. So the wig that I'm rocking today's video, it's from Wiggins, and you get 2 HD wig caps, a silk bag to store your wig, and a edge brush and a melting band, which I think is a must to melt your wig down. So now we're going to take a look at this wig straight out the box. It is given pre-styled. Look at the curls, nice and bouncy body wave hair. And are you seeing that hairline? Let's get into that hairline. So all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below. This is HD lace. The hairline is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Again, I don't have to do much to this wig at all, which I'm so here for that. Because a lot of times you have to tweeze it and all this good stuff to make it look good, but this is straight out the box. I'm going to pop this on my head just so you guys can see what this wig is given. And the hairline looks really good, but I am going to make a bit of changes towards it because it goes straight across, which I don't really love that look. I kind of like it to have more of a widow's peak. So I'm just going to pull out these 2 little antlers. That's what I call it, antlers. Pull them out in the front, and then I'm going to yank them out. Got to put some strength into it and just yank out those peaks. And personally, I prefer my wigs like this because I naturally have a hairline with a widow's peak, so that's why I like it on my wigs. I think it looks more realistic. By the way, I forgot to mention that I did do a ball cap method, but I have a video on how I do my ball cap, so I'll link that in the description box down below. Now we're going to move on to cut in the lace. I'm using the eyebrow razor. Honestly, I prefer to use a small scissors, especially when I'm cutting it like this in sections, because it can be very dangerous close to your face. So I grab my scissors and I'm going to go ahead and cut away the ear part. I did have to cut quite a bit off on the side because it just needed to be cut. It was just a lot of excess lace that I don't need. So I cut away the sides, and now I'm going to go in with my sticky little secret lace glue. This is my lace glue, and I will link it in the description bar down below as well. I do have a coupon code to give you guys a discount on the lace glue, so again, I will link that in the description bar down below. And I'm only using 2 layers of glue. I really don't need much more than that. It's a super strong hole, so I apply it to my forehead and wait for it to dry clear. Sometimes I can be a little impatient, so I'm just gonna pull down that lace, just pull it down onto and just melt the lace glue into the wig. And then I'm going to apply some more lace glue at the sides. I like to do it in sections. Some people just do it straight across. Listen, y'all got skills, but I like to do it like this in sections. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take out some pieces of hair, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my melting band, and I'm going to melt this down for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut away all that extra lace. So I'm doing the double melt method. It's when you apply the glue and then you apply the melting band to let that melt for about 10 minutes. And then you go ahead and you remove the band and cut that lace off. So I'm just adding a little bit more glue to the edges of the hair, like the lace, on where I need some excess glue, because I'm cutting away quite a bit of lace here. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Just cut away the lace. Now I will tell you right now, the lace on this wig, amazing. I know a lot of companies, they'll say HD lace, but I feel like some quality of lace is just so much better, and this one is a really good quality lace. Like, it just looks so good. I haven't even melted it down with any melting spray or anything as yet, and it looks really good. So now I'm going to go in with a tinting spray. I will link this one in the description box down below as well, and I apply it onto my brush and then tap it onto my lace. You can also use foundation, but I do love using tinting spray as well. So now I'm going to go in with my sticky little secret melting spray, and I'm going to apply this onto my lace, and this is what's going to make that lace look so melted. It's going to be given what lace? Never heard of her. So I left it on for another 15 minutes. Well, actually a little longer, because I went ahead and did my makeup, as you can see. And I was just cutting a little bit of layers in the front just to frame my face. I didn't want it too short because I wanted to keep the length on this hair. So now I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten down that wig so it's giving nice and flat. But I absolutely love this hair. I love the body wave, and I love the fact that I did not have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to tweeze it. I didn't have to do anything to it. I think this is a really good beginner friendly wig where you don't have to do a lot for the wig to look good. but I just love how it turned out. It looks really, really good. And I've been rocking a lot of closures lately, but child, listen, frontals will always be my favorite because they're just so versatile. And I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think, and I will link all the hair info in the description box down below. I just wanted to stand so you guys can see the full length of this hair. Absolutely love it. It is gorgeous and it's everything. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching this video.